All right, guys, we back with a special one. 1964 Chevy Impala SS. She has the 327 cubic inch 5.3 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. Paint is in good condition. Interior is absolutely beautiful. Floor pans are solid. Let's check her out. As y'all see, the paint is in good condition. Let's check out the top. Absolutely beautiful. Driver side floor pans, passenger side, checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Deck lid in good shape. Trunk nice and clean. That's the only spot I found on her. It's a simple fix. Interior is in good condition. She has bucket seats, console, seats nice and clean. Back seat in good condition also. Package tray. Headliner. Let's check out that dash. She clean, guys. Check out the mileage. So it's a little over 47,000. Upper dash. Lower. Drop down in the comments and tell me what y'all think of it. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has a 327 cubic inch 5.3 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. She has power steering. Let's start her up. She fire right up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollermuseums.com. I got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information going to be in the description below. Don't miss out, guys. This the one. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.